The Bitcoin price is right now potentially falling out of a massive, gigantic bear flag. Also, we need to take a look at several indicators in the chart because, folks, things are flashing right here, right now, and it could get interesting. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Give a dog a bone, he'll be foaming at the mouth. Tell your wife you're gonna hodl and you'll be sleeping on the couch. Let's get this crypto. Ha ha ha. But in all seriousness here, folks, it has been one tumultuous past week here for the Bitcoin price. We have seen a rejection here up above the 50K region. All of the moon boys, little Jimmy and the hodl train homies were all screaming, done, done, here it is. We broke above the region of resistance. We're going to the moon. But I said, hold on, little Jimmy, and your $600 stimmy. Don't you forget that right up here between 51,000 and 53,000 that we could see massive resistance. And what do you know, folks? Boom, like clockwork, the bears stepped back in and dropped this thing back down into the uptrend abyss. So now we have to ask ourselves, has this uptrend actually been broken? Well, from a higher low trajectory standpoint, yes, the trend has been broken. You can see that we did stick in a lower low for the first time on this trend. The staircase upwards has been broken. So from that standpoint, we do now have to respect this range right here. You could see all of this prior resistance, which then flipped into new support, which is classic for an uptrend. We now have to watch out for it to potentially become resistance here once again. Because folks, right now, if this is truly switching from an uptrend, a series of higher lows and higher highs, to a series of lower highs and lower lows, this is the area in the chart where we could potentially expect some resistance to come in. And to be quite honest, here on the 4-hour time frame, we have already seen resistance in this range, not once, not twice, but thrice, folks, here at this range. Which brings me to my next point. It's the elephant in the room, folks, the big kahuna, if you will. You can see it, that this right here is a potentially massive, gigantic bear flag. We have our potential flagpole starting all the way back up there at nearly 53,000. So if we are to drag that flagpole all the way to the bottom and drag it over now to the potential breakdown point, which is a loss of this upward sloping trend line, right? The loss of the higher low trajectory on the micro level. Folks, this does give us a pattern target down at about 35,000 USD. Savage, heinous, borderline ludicrous, if you do in fact ask me, but it is what it is. But as we should all know, pattern targets do not need to be hit. They're more so just a generalization showing that, hey, if we do see this break to the downside and the sell pressure is equally as strong as it was up there, well, this is just a general area of where we could potentially expect the price action to go down to. Well, here's the interesting part. You see that I have this green box of potential support labeled here, basically between 39,000 and 42,000. It was prior resistance on the uptrend, prior resistance over here when we were stuck for months on end, and it was our final resistance ceiling here before we ripped from the low 40,000s up into the $50,000 range. So folks, just like up here, that I had this red box drawn for weeks, if not months, folks, if not months. So if you are subscribed to this channel, you would know that seeing the Bitcoin price get rejected up in this range was not a surprise, right? Because we have had this box outlined here on this channel for quite some time. So this box down here is essentially the very opposite. Just like we could have expected potential resistance up there, in my opinion, we could potentially expect support all the way down basically between 42,000 and 39,000 if we are to drop that low. Of course, there are no certainties or guarantees in trading, and we could just basically slice through that range like a hot knife through butter and fall right through it. I'm just stating that from a price action perspective, there is definitely confluence here, in my opinion. And I just wanted to start with that because we are now going to look at what could possibly occur here if this bear flag does play out, and we're going to take a look at some indicators here as well. So I just wanted to start the stream with that. So now let's take a look at some indicators. We'll begin here with the one-day Keltner channels indicator. But folks, if you are enjoying the stream thus far, seriously, just give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. And if you're brand new, sheesh. Welcome to the most must-see Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all, as you really cannot afford to miss any more of these Bitcoin updates, all right? So the one-day Keltner channels indicator is something that I like to look at for the momentum of the trend. Here on the entire uptrend, you can see that basically we traded above the top band for the majority of the run, and every time that we saw a massive dip, we found support at the bottom of the range until we didn't. And as you should all know, if you are a longtime subscriber to this channel, the first time that we did not find support here, the Don shouted at the top of his lungs, folks, that this to me was an absolute warning shot fired. It just is what it is, right? Something changed here, and then what do you know? Whoopsies! We plunged deep down into the crypto abyss. So fast forward into the current day, right? We saw a change, okay? On this downtrend, we saw the top of the Keltner channel acting as resistance until it didn't. And then what do you know, folks? Whoopsies! We go into another bullish uptrend. This is where things get concerning, because right now we are seeing this potential bear flag form. We are seeing this range of potential support lost. And what do you know? We're clinging on to the bottom of the Keltner channel here. We have not closed a full candle body below the line yet. That's what's really important to me here. I'll actually just remove this potential bear flag for a moment. We haven't dropped below and closed below yet. Sure, we have had wicks, but we're not seeing a full candle body below the bottom line yet. That's really what I'm looking for, and that to me would be confirmation of weakness in this trend. Of course, right, we could just wind up popping back up. Anything's possible. This is just a game of probabilities. But I'm stating from a pattern perspective, from a possibly repetitive perspective, on the way up, when we saw that level hold as support, it remained bullish. On the way down, when we saw it lose that level as support, it became bearish. Thus far here, it followed the same trend to the upside. When we broke above the top band and closed the full candle body above, we continued bullishly. We did the same thing over here. So right now, with the price action being so close to closing a full candle body below this line, this to me, folks, is an absolute warning shot fired. Okay, just keep this on your radar here and watch out for a potential full one-day candle body close below the line. Watch out for it. Let's get this crypto. Also here we have the Williams alligator indicator. This is a momentum indicator. It's something else I like to look at as well. Notice we had a bearish cross all the way back up here in the mid $50,000 range before our plunge deep down into the crypto abyss. The signal for this indicator is the green line crossing below both the red and the blue, and the price action closing daily candles below the line. Okay, so you can see we had that there. Then we had our bullish cross down here. Quite the opposite. The green line going above the red and the blue. Price action trading above the band. Right down here, it led to a pump. And right now, folks, you just can't make this stuff up. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. You can see that we do have another bearish cross right here, right now. And the price action, unfortunately, is also trading below all of the lines. And it is looking more bearish than bullish here, in my opinion, from this indicator's perspective. And this could wind up applying pressure to this bear flag pattern here to potentially drop us down out of it. Only time will tell. Let's get this crypto. Another indicator I'd like to take a look at here is the TSI, the True Strength Indicator. And right now, folks, you can see that upon our pump all the way up to our top here at above 50,000, we did get a little itty bitty fake out, a bullish cross there, the blue line going above the red. But you can see ever since basically this pump up to about 45,000, we have seen a bearish divergence on this indicator, right? The bullish momentum, the blue line, right, has been trending downward with lower highs while we still saw the price action creating higher highs. So the big takeaway here, folks, is that this indicator has been showing us that there has been some strength lacking, right? There has been a lack of strength up in this whole general area up here. And right now, I mean, technically it was a bearish cross, but I mean, we really just have been in a bearish downtrend on this indicator, but we did indeed get a cross right here. And the most alarming part of this all is that this downward slope appears to be steepening, in my opinion, right? You see the blue line is taking a hard dive, the red line is taking a hard dive. This is really not what I would like to see here. And why is that? Just as I pointed out, a bearish divergence there. Notice this up here, folks, okay? Look at that, higher high, higher high, higher high. This is when we got all the way up to above 60,000. And what do you know, folks? Right there, another bearish divergence. To me, this looks eerily similar. And if you are appreciating me showing you all of this, because trust me, no other analysts are probably going to look at this stuff. So if you are appreciating, seriously, hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps. Thank you for that. And if you're brand new, make sure that right now you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all. Let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. All right. So yeah, obviously this to me, folks, is another absolute warning shot fired. It just is what it is. I mean, I just can't personally see it any other way, and I wanted to put that on your radar. So I know I'm going to be closely monitoring this price action here, especially, folks, this potential bear flag, right? I showed you guys this at the beginning of the stream, and I'm just going to draw the trend lines here once again. Right now, in my opinion, it's very possible that we could be on the brink of breaking down out of this right now, although it's not perfect. You can see here that the lines, it's subjective to where you're drawing it, right? So just keep in mind there's a general potential bear flag here. It doesn't have to be perfect how I drew it now. It's possible. So if we do start to see more lower lows coming in, basically the price dropping below 44,000 once again, it's very possible that the sell pressure could accelerate here and that we could be due for a further plunge. And if we do wind up seeing that, keep your eyes on this range here between 42,000 and 38,000, all right? That's what I'm looking for personally. And of course, if you do want to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, everything just like that, as the dawn looks to potentially strike gold again, then of course I will see you in VIP right now after this video. That is where I post all of that type of exclusive content. So if you're not already in my VIP and you'd like all of that exclusive content, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's go. And just a quick update here on my Telegram hack situation. As you guys know, my Telegram account was compromised. I mean, at this point, I really don't understand what happened. It doesn't seem like it was malicious in any way, shape, or form. And in fact, the account now has actually been deleted. I mean, obviously, I reported it to Telegram. I'm not sure what happened. I've had no correspondence with them. I mean, the account appears to have been deleted. I do have my username back, the t.me/CryptoKirby. I do have that back, but I'm having trouble actually getting to use that as my username for some reason. So right now I just have it as a placeholder on a channel, but I do have a new account and it is t.me/CryptoKirby trading. That's how you can get in contact with me right now. And this is mainly just for current VIPs. All right. For current VIPs right now, if you are looking to get back into the VIP group, of course I lost access to the old one, you need to contact me here, t.me/CryptoKirby trading. Okay, get in contact with me as soon as possible. and I will get around to getting you back in the group. If I do not reply right away, just understand that I'm overloaded right now with inquiries and requests, okay? So don't take it personally if I don't respond right away. I will get to you in due time. All right. I just have to get through this process right now, have the new account. We're getting all of the VIPs back, or rather into the new VIP group, and then we'll take it from there. So yeah, guys, my only official contact right now is t.me/CryptoKirbyTrading. If you see anybody using any other handle other than that, it's a fake. It's an imposter. It's as simple as that. t.me/CryptoKirbyTrading. That is it. That is all. VIPs, contact me there. And for new VIPs, of course, you can join that link down below to the promo channel, the public channel, if you will. That is where you will see all of the information on how to get in contact with me for VIP if that is something you're interested in. As I stated, you get all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that in absolute real time as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you are not already in my VIP, seriously, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And yeah, guys, just be very, very diligent here, okay? Because I do believe we are potentially right now on the brink of an absolutely massive move. Do not get wrecked here. Do not get caught like a deer in the headlights with average Joe and James at the water cooler, because you are better than that and you deserve better than that. Let's get this crypto. Folks, on that note, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss another one of my important real-time VIP trade setup ideas and alerts. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.